Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with CIRA. Visit www.cira.co.za to confirm their registration and training status for event security. Don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs! Welcome to Amabenzo TV. It's the Carling Black Label Cup. Orlando Pirates 1, Richards Bay 0. I'm joined by Umenier Wetiski.
Sibo. Nje Ukraine.
Yeah, I'm 90 Umenier.
Yeah, sisekhaya sibo. Maybe asiqaleni la before singene egamini. Ngicabanga ngidlulwa amagame ayi6 or 7.
Yes.
Yeah, ngathi game yami yokuqala le after a month or two. Yeah. But ezinye izinto angithi ikhulume kwicamera, even though abantu bebesenda ama DM indoda kwenzakalani, but into ejabulisa ukuthi ngikhona. Yeah, ngibuyile.
Thank you.
All right, Sibo. Ibhola lisimple ne?
Sure, Umenier.
Ibhola likho complicated, ibhola lisimple.
Yeah.
Like nje kunento common ebholeni. La sithi khona, if there is no pressure on the ball, drop.
If there's no pressure on the ball, drop.
Yes.
Mina
Imina ukuthi if si late ngokufaka ipressure kwi build up yeopponent.
Yeah.
Asingayixaki ngokukhomitha because sizovula ama spaces.
Yeah.
Bese create ama passing channels. Ilento yenziwe Richards Bay today.
Yes.
Richards Bay today be smart, especially nge-first half. First half we struggled nge-first half because they created an overload central. Obekuyi 4v3.
Yeah.
Like they always had a one-man advantage because thina i-center yethu besinombatha sibe noMasindi balomunye Mbatha uMasindi Umbuli.
Yeah.
So like bebesiyeka because remember ngithe if there is no pressure on the ball just drop.
Yes.
So bebesiyeka if be late bephike nokuthi bazowenza njani bazo-overloada kuphi la central ngabadlali abangaka abayi4. So ingakho kube difficult for Umbule, for Umbatha, for uMasindi ukuthi bedlale. Even ama-shots lawo esijwayele ukuwathatha like normal usubone first half sithatha ama-shots si-strugglishile today because i-Richards Bay always ibinomuntu oyi-one unjani o-free.
Yes.
Ozokhona ukuthi even ama-agitator zama create ama-passing channels. There's this guy oyi-one ozofaka in esimbiza ngokuthi safety play. I-safety player yenze njani? I-closer down ama-passing lanes. Passing lanes or ama-passing channels. If there is no pressure on the ball,
drop.
Hence why i-technical team yethu i-introduce uMfukeng second half because uMfukeng usmart akarely ekuthenini ufuna ukuthola ama-passing channels kuphela la phansi. Uyakhona nokuloopa in iball. Since engenile second half I think uloopa iball maybe ka-2 or 3.
Sure.
Yes. Same thing le ayenze kuphi eKings Olithini if isidlala ne-Arrows.
Yes.
So bebemfakela yona leyo nto le because babona ukuthi Richards Bay always bana one man advantage kuphi la central.
Safety.
Yes. Sibo ngihleze ngitshela ngithi football is a game of patterns.
Yes.
Ngiyisa kuphi lento Sithibo ngiyisa kumbekezela imbukazi. Bafana versus Nigeria. Mbukazi uthola ibhola. Upenetrate centrally. Uchallenge space. Uyabona ukuthi akunamuntu ofaka ipressure kuyena. Wenze njani uthatha i-shot uloopa iball. Unfortunately liphuma kuphi over the bar.
Yes.
Mbokazi versus okanye Pirates versus iswele
net.
Mbokazi win ibhola upenetrate centrally uchallenge space ushaya net. Today Mbokazi win ibhola kuphi ekhoneni. Wenze njani uchallenge space upenetrate centrally. Remember from ekhoneni uwine kuphi ibhola ekhoneni uchallenge okanye upenetrate kuphi central wa challenge space phasela bani apolice wenze njani wadlala behind wadlala diagonal to Murem njengoba ngihleze ngitshela ukuthi is more effective if edlala on a left wing amagoli akamaningi aqhamuka on a left wing waliphusha ibhola wadla ini wadla net. Uyabona ukuthi iphethini le itshela yona lama game la ekubalela wona. Umbokazi always mewina ibhola wenze njani? Challenge space, penetrate kuphi? Centrally. It's either uyaphasa okanye uyakhahlela ebhalini. Lento ibuyela kuphi? Ibuyela ku something le ngakutshela yona ukuthi ebholeni we have something esibiza ngokuthi a 0 point position. Sengingakhuluma ngawo before. Well, i-0 point position it is the most ideal position to receive and play forward to break the lines or to score. Uyabo zonke lezi zinto zisikhuluma ngobani ngombokazi because always la receive khona. Like if sithi 0 point, which means mostly i-pressure isuke ingekho okanye uyakhona ukuthi penetrate kuphi la i-pressure isuke ingekho khona, so right ezobreaka ama-lines because the 0 point position it is the most ideal position to receive and play forward to break the lines and also score. So zonke lezi zinto zibuyela back to lento le i-concept yani the 0 point position. Well, asibuyele kuma-subs ethu today. Coach with my impact players well for me it's a sub ne? Like second half kuna something grand eyenziwe i-Richards Bay. I-Richards Bay second half benze some like they were able to maximize the pitch. Well umuntu maybe ngadideka ngalowo concept le ukuthi like kusokwenzakalani mekuthiwa i-team maximize i-pitch. Like sisenda wonke umuntu la central ngamasibomu to create i-overload so that sizoqoqa i-opponent ibe kuphi ibe la central. Ngalesikhathi i-focus yethu remember always kumele siprotecte umlomo wepali la so that because i-team ifingezi la central siphiyana ukuthini naye si safe because ayikwazi ukukora because sonke sikuphi la central. But now i-Richards Bay la ibesimathi khona second half bayi-maximizile i-pitch basenda almost everyone la central. Ngalesikhathi nasifocusa la ama-full back abo bawasenda wide okanye kuma-channels ayokwenzani lapha ayodlala ezini ama-wing. Hence why sibone uNdaba as well as uVan Rooyen bestrugglisha second half. Hence why sibone ngazi ukuthi amabhola amaningi i-Richards Bay sikhona ukwadlala wafaka kuphi eboxini. Hence why sibone isaphu kaHoto as well as uLibitso because uVan Rooyen i-match fitness ayikakabi khona kahle, and then as well as uNdaba udlala igame ebi-demand versus i-Arrows because i-pace. So today we needed ukuthi ama-fresh legs kaHoto. Same as Umasindi has been playing like forever now, so we needed someone ozoba nama-fresh legs. Hence why be-introduce uDensi sila esikhona. Remember i-final siwiniswa uba as much as i-team kuyona isiwinisile but i-final apolice ama-assist ayi-2 uMurem washaya i-brace enye assist yabuya kubani kuMurem. Today siya kwi-final iphasi isuka kubani apolice iya kubani uMurem wadla inet. Football is a game of patterns. Thank you.
Thank you Menier. Ay ezinye izinto. Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their SIRA identification card?